Hi everybody and welcome back students watching. Today is another special day. We've learned about combinations, but now we've got to listen to a song. So now we're going to listen to this song, okay? Everybody sit down, and now let's move on. Now we're gonna have our 1 to 100 counting jar. So boys will be Freddy and girls will be Frida. Okay, so are you ready? Freddy and Frida. And girls is Frida and boys are Freddy. 3. Are you ready to begin our game 1 to 100? If you're ready, let's count. Boys first. 51. 51. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 93, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Everybody sit down. So, have you got all our numbers? If we count backwards, if you count to the left, our numbers will decrease. Okay, so now we're gonna start from 50 and move backwards. We can start from 1 or 50. Let's start from 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 20, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody sit down. That was an excellent game, a really good game. Now we're gonna use our special flashcards now. So now I have the 10s and the 1s. I have 3 ones and 1 10. So how to get the answer? 10 marbles. So and then we have 11, 12, and 13. That's how we do it. So everybody make sure that you do the right one. Okay, the 10s and the 1s must be in the exactly right order. Not if we count 30, 10. We need to count 13. That's how we do it, okay? So the answer 10, 11, 12, 13. That is the answer of the jar. Okay, 13. That's a jar full of marbles. Now let's move on. We have 1 10. So now, and then we have 9 ones. So I'm gonna call Isaac. He's still counting. He's doing his best. 9. That's not right. How about Sahara? 10. Almost. It's larger than 10. Mandara. 17. It's almost larger than 17. Right, it is 19. So you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that's how much we've got. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Okay, so we have 110 and we have 7 ones. So how do we do it? Well, now let's begin. 110 and 7 ones. Okay, so we're 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Now we have 110 and 5 ones. So how do we do it? 10 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what number is it? Yes, it is 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Now we're gonna have a jar full of marbles and another part that doesn't have a jar but only has separate marbles. Okay, so you have 110. And now we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. So now, do you know that it is 16 already? Turn over the card. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Now we have 110 and 4 ones. So now a gamer full of candy and separate candy. So now we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's how much candy. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Now we have 110 and 8 ones. What number is it? 10? No, it is more than 10. 9? No, it is not smaller. It is not smaller than 9 or anything. But it is larger than 9. Right, it is 18. Good. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So let's spell 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Now we have this. Now, how many ones do we have, Isaac? 0. So now we only have 2 tens. So how do we count them? 1 10 is 10. So 2 tens must be 20. Did anyone get the number right? Yeah, it's 20. 10, 20. 20. Now we're gonna flip to the back and see the number 20. Let's spell 20, okay? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. So I'll put down my cards. And now I'm gonna get some other cards. This is before after card. These are before after cards. Okay, so now after number. Yeah, 63. Good. So now we're gonna play a little challenge. Say after and before for me, okay? Make sure you're doing that, and then you can have a ruler or maybe some type of motion. that we could use, like, to make it more fair. Okay, so let's put it down. I'm gonna get up my pointers, and now you're going to count 46. 46. Now say me 46. Good. Now everything in here also has 6. Now we have 45. Good. So now what is 45 with 46? Well, 45 is the before number of 46, and 47 is the after number of 46. Now we have our frog poem. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready to turn into frogs and hop all over the world? Now my pointer and ready. Are you ready? Left frog, right frog, hopping side by side. Right frog, left frog, jumping 90 wide. Right, left, left, right. Hop, splashing out of sight. Okay, so now, did you have fun with all of it? Now, Simon says, put your right hand on your shoulder. Right hand on your shoulder. Simon says, put your right hand on your left elbow. Good. Get your hand and put on your side. If you put on your side, means you're out, because Simon didn't say it. So that's a freebie. Now stand up and do it again. Simon says, put your hand on right hand on your head. Simon says, put your hand on your belly button. Put your hand on your face. Simon didn't say it. Put your hand on your elbow. So if you put it on your elbow, you're down. Okay, so bye-bye to the first frog. Now, which frog do I have left? Well, I have the frog on the right, because I write with my right frog, and the frog is on the right. So it means I'm gonna use a pencil and then draw on the frog. Or as you see, I made the frog hop away. Now I have my numbers, and I want you to write the before number and the after number for each number. So make sure that you're all going there. Okay, so now Kaliska, Elsa, Isaac, and Alaska come up and read and then like use the questions to answer. So now I want you now to say the before and after number. 36, yes, 36. 45, good. That is 45. So now make sure students watching you're at 45. Good. 45. Okay, so you're all done. Now we have 61. Now this is the present number. 78. Good. You said the present number. What is the next type of number? Well, the next type of number, the next number you know is, let's see what is the next number. I will go out in my flashcards. Make sure to watch and listen to me. After number 9, good. So now all of them are done. Let's move on. 25, good. Now we're gonna put it down. I have a shiny cheer for all of you. And now let's look here. look at our friends' numbers, okay? So now we have 29, 39, 38. So now all of your numbers are wrong, so we need to fix them. Okay, so I'm just gonna cross out those two numbers and then fix those numbers. You let your friend doing things and fixing your wrong answers, don't you? You have 38. Now that we have 38, let's move on. What is after 39? Well, after 39 is 40. So now we've done those. And now let's look at our one addition family. Okay, so these are twins. Make sure if you say it, snap your hand. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Make sure to snap your hand. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 0 equals 2. So now we have our addition family. I'll put back my pointer. No errors, give you an air high five. Now, how many frogs do we have on the logs? 0 frogs. How many frogs do we have on the lily pads? 3 frogs. So that is 3 plus 0. So what is 3 plus 0? It is 3. So 0 plus 3 equals 3. Now one frog just hopped onto a log. So now what do we have now? Well, now we have 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. What is the next addition? Well, now let's move on with the next part. Now we have 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is also 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Now what is the next one? Now we have 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 also equals 3. So now in here we have a few twins. These twins are 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1. 0 plus 3 and 3 plus 0. So in this whole addition family, we have the 2 twins. Every addition family has twins. Such as the 2 addition family has 2 twins. 1 plus 1. That's all. And also it is 1 twin. And now this 3 addition family has 2 twins. So now you're standing up saying all of yours. Stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down. Those are just some things that you might need. Okay. Now, have you got your mini abacus on your table? So now get out your abacus. Make sure there are 2 beads at the 2 sides to anchor the abacus. So don't count those. Only count the ones at the middle. So we're gonna pull them. Do the additions that your on-site teacher wants to do. So they have Isaac and Samantha come up. Alasta, I mean. Okay, so now I'll give Isaac a puppy. So now Isaac has 1 pet and Samantha has 0. So now that looks odd, right? Because only because why should I give Alasta 1 and Samantha 0? So now Samantha, I've had another pet for you, which is a bumblebee. That should scare the life out of others. Now, what is the next animal? Well, now he has a puppy. What is the next animal that I will give to Alasta? Well, Alasta, I will give you a frog. Not on your hand, it will be on your shoulder. Because Alasta's a really good balance. There. Put that on your shoulder so it will charge and everything. So now what is the next one that I will give to Samantha? Well, I give a frog. I gave a frog to Alasta. What animal will I give to Samantha this time? I have loads of animals, right? So now, who will I give to next? Well, the person I would give to next to Samantha. Well, I will give her a chick. A baby duck, which she puts on her shoulder. 2 good balancers. Now I have 2 more. Now I have 3 more animals. Okay, so now I'm gonna give 1 animal to Alasta to hold because they have the same one. So Alasta, you're gonna hold the goldfish. Make sure your dog doesn't eat the goldfish, okay? Now, what will I give to Samantha? Well, I have 2 more. I will give to Samantha 1. Well, the animal I'm going to give to Samantha, 1 other animal inside my bucket. What is it? Well, if you want to find out, let's move on to see how much does Samantha have. Okay, so Samantha, she only has 1 bumblebee. You got to get more for her. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a pet. I'm going to give you a cat. Make sure the cat doesn't jump from your hand and eat the fish, or maybe chase, or maybe charge at the bumblebee. And make sure that the dog doesn't charge at the fish. But now I have 1 more animal. If we give it to Alasta, then it will be odd. And if I give it to Samantha, it will be odd as well. Isn't that too interesting? Well, I've given most of it to all of you. Now that you are going to find 1 more. You are going to get back to your seats. You can take 1 animal and the rest of the other animals you're going to give to 2 friends. There. So it looks like one of you like dogs and the other of you like cat. Good. Great. So now, let's move on. We've had a lot of fun. But now let's move on to your worksheet. Your worksheet is really interesting, so make sure you've got it. So have you all got your worksheet in front of you already? If you got, raise my hand. Then, if you have already done, stand up like a statue. Okay, so stand up like the statue of a soldier in Vietnam. Okay, make sure stand up like a saluting person. Statue, okay? Okay, so now statues turn back into human and sit down. Now, have you all statues finished all your work? Did y'all have a great time doing your oddity homework? Maybe your work should be there. Now, I will give you and your on-site teacher something to work on. I would like you all to prepare your class, to do the other page at home with your on-site teacher with me, with your on-site teacher, and give it to me through a code so I could check the paper. So now you could all finish the front page. If you all finish the front page, so we all love everyone to check our work, don't we? So now, have you all finished checking your work? If you're done, wave, wave, wave. There. Really good. Samantha, Alesta, and Samantha are all done. We only have a few students left. So now, that is called really, really interesting. So now at home, please do the things I have assigned you and make sure, work on your arithmetic and have fun. Make sure to do your work as well. Okay, so this is the end of today's Abeka lesson, and see you next time.